Hey friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn what are the two platforms to kickstart your passive income. So this question is being asked by various users. So today we will explore just two platforms that are very passionate about and which can make you a good passive income right away. So there are a lot of online money making websites, as you know. So if you have reached to this video, then definitely you have searched a lot somewhere else that how can you make money online, which are the platforms which are legit one. You might have gone to the Trustpilot to check out their legitimacy and everything. So today in this video I will just give you two options, okay, which you can go through. You can sign up on those websites right away and you can start earning legit money for yourself. The more you focus on the jobs that are being offered on these platforms can give you nice passive income. Okay, this is all about making your proper portfolio on these websites, and the way ratings will be given to you will make sure that how much money you earn. Okay, so in this video I will explore about like two highly paying and skill based platforms which can make us like genuine money as a side hustle. And note that I'm also working on these platforms already since 3 to 4 years, so it's definitely genuine. The platforms which I'm going to introduce you to are so popular that you might heard about them already. However, you might have lost your path along the way and never started them on the serious note. Okay, so if you want to explore more, then please keep watching the video to add more to your knowledge about these two platforms. So the first one in the list is PeoplePerHour. So PeoplePerHour is like a United Kingdom based website that enables users to earn money as a freelancer by advertising freelance opportunities for both the buyers and the sellers. Okay, both the parties are covered in this one. So buyers are those people who require freelancing services and they require someone to do the task for them. Okay, this is where we come. Okay, as a earner, we will be doing the job for them. Sellers are workers. Okay, we will be sellers or workers who offer their services in exchange for some income. So sign up to complete your profile first on the PeoplePerHour, and then your profile emphasizes your skills and experience. Okay, as I told you in the start of the video, you must add your photos, videos and samples so that big buyers can get attracted to your profile. Okay, so emphasizing your profile is very important thing here. Okay, many times users will be afraid of uploading their own pictures. Okay, but that is very important so that you can gain the trust of the buyers. The profiles are classified according to the activity per month. Okay, so there is activity chart per month which can decide whether your profile stands out in the front page or not. If you sell your services frequently, then you can rank it high in the search results. Okay, so find a job and submit a suggestion first. If you find a job that interests you, then you can send them the proposal and the bid also. Okay, to the PeoplePerHour team, and you can bid on like 15 projects per jobs. Okay, per month for the free. If you use all your free proposal credits and apply them to the more projects, then you can purchase more credit. Okay, so this is a credit based system. Because see, the genuinity is very important for the buyers, so that this will be a sponsored way of working out. But your profits obviously will always be higher, so that you can earn passive income from this. Having added PeoplePerHour to your bucket list, you can start earning half of your desired passive income, as I told you. So to get started with other half, you just need to add like second platform which works on the similar strategy as the above one, so as to make it very simple to get started and starting earning your first share right away. Okay, so the second most popular and genuine platform is Fiverr. You must have heard about Fiverr many times. Okay, but in this video I will tell you that how to work with it and how to get started with your income. If you are curious about learning a way to make money on the Fiverr while not skills, then keep watching this guide. Fiverr may be a virtual marketplace wherever patrons and sellers will trade services that supported their talent sets. Okay, as a world freelance marketplace with a presence in addition to like 160 countries, it is probably the foremost well liked nowadays. Okay, because see, Fiverr has the presence in the 160 countries, which means you can get the jobs done from different countries based on their geolocations. Okay, some person from the USA might be advertising in India or maybe advertising in Australia. So that they will need people from Australia and India so that they can generate leads for their, let's say, SEO optimization from those regions. Okay, then they will need a local people to do that so that they can have like a genuine target right away. So this is far easier for them to do it from the USA They can also have affordable rates when they like hire someone from the freelancing platform like Fiverr. Like there are 42 million patrons annually victimizing on the Fiverr already. The worth of the Fiverr gross merchandise is like nearly $700 million. Okay, so from this one you can understand that what is the gravity of working on the Fiverr. They are already making a good fortune, so that you can have the share of it and earn good money from the freelance marketplace like Fiverr. In exchange for money, it is marketplace for individuals to sell their skills. Okay, sellers are eligible for 18th of the what they earn. Okay, so in a very competitive market, wherever a lot of businesses are searching for freelance support, and professionals are beginning remote careers also. So Fiverr has gone so far that people are like leaving their original jobs or fixed income salary jobs so that they can work remotely on Fiverr and kickstart their careers with it. Fiverr is well positioned to capture some work. Okay, in this guide we will discuss what Fiverr works, how Fiverr works, and the way anyone will make money on Fiverr with no skills also. So simply keep watching this video. Fiverr could be a platform wherever you will be part of like gratis and sell your freelance services. Okay, it is a good possibility if you need to alter into different platforms as a freelancer, or if you only want to like some more money to make. But before you will begin making money, you will initially ought to find out how to form a gig on the Fiverr. Okay, so on the Fiverr economy they will call it as a gig. Okay, which is nothing but your job that you have to do on it, which will attract purchasers and generate sales for you. Okay, the gig overview is the first section you will complete. Okay, you will be asked to fill out like 3 things there. Your gig title, which is very important. It should be very attractive so that buyer can easily catch an eye on that. Then your target class. Okay, which type of class you have to target, and then relevant search tag. Relevant search tag is very important because if there are like some ad talking about SEO optimization, but you have put a tags on something like digital marketing or something else, it might not match, and it may not come into the search results of Fiverr immediately, and it can like go down to your sales also. So write your gig title in 80 characters at least and place your applicable class on it. Okay, Fiverr can counsel classes for you depending on which you can like decide which class to add. Next, you wish to feature relevant search tags so that the potential purchaser will simply notice your services. So I just briefly told you about these ways, and it's upon you that you research and once come up with your own strategies also. However, there are some other ways as well that I have mentioned in my other video sections. Okay, I highly recommend that you check out the videos which I have already uploaded. You can then thank me later because those will help you in boosting your Fiverr and PeoplePerHour income also. Passive income is money that you earn without actually working for it. So it doesn't mean that you will not work hard. Well, you will have to do that. But after you have made your goal, you don't always need to put in the same amount of effort as before. You are simply earning a commission or interest on that work. Okay, it's the opposite of active income, which most people are used to earning. So with active income, you trade your time for the money, and you work for an hour or you get paid for an hour. It doesn't matter, but later on the system can go on and go on. Thank you guys.